In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a template in ClickUp. If you want to save time and bring a proven setup into your workspace, importing a template is a great option. ClickUp makes this process very straightforward. And in this walkthrough, I'll guide you through each part so you can confidently import exactly what you need. Start by opening ClickUp and navigating to the location where you want to import the template. This is important because the place you choose will affect where the template content appears. Make sure you're in the correct space, folder or list before moving on, especially if your workspace contains multiple projects or teams. Once you're in the right location, click the three-dot menu. This menu gives you access to additional options related to that area. From there, select Templates. After that, click Browse Templates to open the template library. Now take a moment to find and open the template you want to import. You may see different template options depending on your workspace setup, so it helps to choose one that best matches the workflow or structure you're trying to build. When you found the right one, click Use Template. Next, select the destination space, folder or list where the template should be added. This step is worth checking carefully, because importing to the right destination keeps your workspace organized and avoids unnecessary cleanup later. After choosing the destination, click Customize Import Items. This is one of the most useful parts of the process, because it lets you control exactly what gets brought in from the template. You can choose the tasks, subtasks, views, custom fields, statuses, automations, and other items you want to import. If you don't need everything included in the original template, this is the time to adjust it. For example, you may want the task structure, but not the automations. Or maybe you want the views and statuses, but not every custom field. Reviewing these options carefully can help you keep your workspace clean and make the imported template more relevant to your needs. Once you've selected the items you want, click Use Template again to complete the import. ClickUp will then add the chosen template elements to your selected destination. And that's it. Your template is now imported and ready to use. Take a quick look through the imported items to confirm everything came in the way you expected. Thanks for watching.